Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Vintage Revival Design Co. If it's your first time here or you're coming back, welcome, welcome, welcome. I'm Michelle, and I'm the owner of Vintage Revival Design Co. And today we are going to make some glass ball ornaments with a little acrylic paint and some beautiful IOD gilded transfers. Let's get started. The first thing I did was remove the top off of the glass bulb and I set that aside. I'm now going to mix up some acrylic paint in gold and a beautiful red, and I'm going to tap those down so that they become level. I'm added about 5 milliliters of paint, and I'm going to add 5 millimeters of pouring medium into each cup and stir really well. Once that was done, I'm going to add a little water just to make it a little more fluid. Once that's stirred really well, I'm going to begin to slowly pour in my paint one color at a time. I'm starting with the red and I pour a little in, and then I just want to keep twirling that little ball. I love how the paint will spread randomly and no two ornaments are alike. I can shake it a little bit, and then where it's a little more blank inside, I'm going to pour that gold and do the same thing. You just want to keep slowly swirling until the entire ball is covered inside. Here I'm shaking a little bit. It's going to blend the red and the gold, and I just keep adding paint until the entire inside is covered. Once the entire inside of the ball is covered, I'm going to place it upside down on top of a cup and let the paint drip out. I made several of these at once and I didn't waste the paint. I combined all of the red paint with that gold and then was able to use that in the other ornaments that I did. I'm using a wipe to wipe off the top, and now let's do one with 3 colors. I mixed up this beautiful purple paint and I'm using that red, all of the leftover red paint, and I still had some of the gold, so I'm going to use that up too so we don't waste any of the paint. I just continue to add one color at a time, and then when that's done and the paint is dry, I'm going to wipe everything down with a lint-free cloth and alcohol, and it cleans the surface. I've cut a piece of transfer from the Etiquette's gold foil transfer, and I really loved this. I'm going to be using an element from the tinsel transfer as well. But for this section, I'm just going to hold it in place with one hand and gently rub until the entire design is transferred onto the ornament on the outside. You can seal this with a spray sealer when it's all done, but I just love how these turned out. You are only limited by the colors of paint that you choose. I think these turned out beautifully, and here is another example of some that I did in other colors. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, subscribe, and comment. Happy creating, and I'll see you soon.